Life is an adventure. I don't really want to spend my time to work for a living. I'm David here. I'm an interior designer.
My name is Jen. I'm a product marketer in a technology company.
So I hope to be able to build a portfolio. Then from there, we can do the things that we enjoy. And if possible, to help out the community more.
So I wanted to learn some fundamental skills to earn some passive income.
We actually found out about VIA through a mutual friend of ours. We went to the free master class, right? Yeah, we heard what Cayden said and we find it very useful and suitable for us. So that's how we signed up.
So prior to attending his class, I read some books and I couldn't absorb as well. Through his class, I understand all the terms, all the fundamentals, and it helps me build confidence in getting new stocks as well.
Before coming to this class, investing to me is a guesswork. So after coming to here, I realized there's a certain ratio, certain things to look out for, and yeah, that helps.
The most helpful part is identifying a good business that has good growth and is cheap, and also the financial data, identifying the key metrics like the PB, PE ratio, and etc.
Yes, we will recommend VIA to our friends and colleagues.